Uba Elhek, MLA ke BJP ne Pontoram Kra, Badairu Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2, Ubala Shapan ke Buram halaka parti, haka Laitrek Rumpang Arjarap Sao, nama kecingiyok pediang dangshen ni khusnam Dara Sahab Palki Award, Delhi, Ulapla bahai kisnam ki Mynsiem, dan ni kecing stam, bar ulajem da kecing Duwai. Harangkat ubahek agak dikengi ke BJP kala pengkep buram ru kong selbi pasa kadang syajit nak bentak khusnam pada masyri bagi kicing pengkep buram lalai ada state president ke BJP Meghalaya unit urik manji moment ubahek ulaong ban nalor kiwai ki khusnam bu lejam letu ba Mynsiem kicing slai om pentorom kra ulano om ban jingi ban plat em lagi brio habai tu khanash pang kicing pang jungu ulaong boleh ekran ba Kurim jungu boleh pai no slayeng nomor kicing stom Hynrei ke Kurim jungu kamsya satya berla Mynsiem yu.
All my heartfelt gratitude to the state president of BJP, Mr. Mynsiem, and all his team, right from the office bearers, the executive members, the Mahila, the Yuba, and all other esteemed members of the party and our esteemed guests who are present here today for the felicitation program conferred to all of two of us, Kong Sibi Pasa, the Padma Shri awardees. If I compare the awards that she has received by Kong Sibi Pasa, I am nobody. No comparisons at all. So I congratulate you, Kong Pasa, for all the achievement that you have done, not only for you, for the society, for the states, and for the nations. So I'd like to thank also our spokesperson, so also my good friends, Kyrwoh, who are presiding over the proceeding this evening, and everyone present here. Receiving the awards is not the ends of your journey, but receiving of the award is the beginning of our journey to work more force and more better for the deserving people. So that is why we are receiving our award to work furthermore. Then now the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, I don't know from where they have been honoring me and from where they have been selected me, nominated me, and also they have chosen me to be one of the awardees from the state of Meghalaya for the best minister in the state of Meghalaya. Then I have so got the best award, I'm telling you. In 2001, when there was a flood in Shillong, completely the Patram Cry become already completely submerged. Completely submerged. Then I have seen one of the locality, the people are under the water. And the first person, being the American minister, I jump into the water and we swim. We swam into the water and we saved so many lives at that time. So many lives. After that, we brought into the shelter home. We brought to the shelter home. We feed them for at least 2-3 days until unless they are be able to go back to their respective places. But I will tell you, my biggest award in my life, which I like want to share with all of you who are present here today, but those who are not here also today. The biggest award that I received in my life, if I go back 35 years before, when I was not married at that time, I was suffering a lot from the tuberculosis. Bleeding from my nose and from my mouth, perennially bleeding very off and on. Then after that, 35 years back, I got married to my wife, the Mary Mynsiem. After married, my illness, my sickness has not gone. Then I stay, because I have to stay in my in-laws' house, but my wife, she's the only daughter in the family. I have no choice to stay in my place, not to stay to other separate places. But I had to stay with my in-laws. Then in-laws, I was really suffering that time. Neither I can make any source of income, nor I can do any work. I was really badly suffering that time. So one day, I told my dear wife, please allow me to go home. I feel shy to eat here. I feel really ashamed to eat in another house without any source of income. But my wife told me only one word. If you die also, you die here. I would not allow you to go home. That was the encouragement and inspiration that I got from my wife. Then after that, I have no choice. I'm completely at the fix. Either I can go home or I can stay with my wife. Because I feel really shy to eat in the in-laws' house without any income. I'm a man, How I'll go and eat my wife income, my in-laws income? If I cannot do any work with this no income, I really feel shy. Yet I have no choice at that time. I never pray rosary in the daytime. That afternoon, I took the rosary, I prayed for all 5 mysteries. But I asked God only one thing with my mother Mary. I told her, either you take me or you cure me. Either you take me or you cure me. I told to the God, I told the Mother Mary, you will not believe instantly after my 5 mysteries, I completed my the rosary prayer. Instantly from that day until today, I never faced the suffering of my problem of the bleeding from my nose or my mouth. That was the greatest achievement, my biggest achievement that I have received in my life because of encouraging and this inspiration given by my wife. And then you better to, either you, I'm not allowed you to go home, to go to your place. Either you have to, either you, she told that I would not allow you to go home. If you die also, you die here. What the forceful words that she has mentioned, that she not allowed me to go to my parents' place. So that was a very great inspiration, very great encouragement I received, I have got it in my life. So thankful to God. Really, He has really blessed me, and blessed my family, and blessed my friends, and blessed so many things, the blessing that I've got today because of that blessing that God has been giving to me. So thank you once again to the BGP, State BGP for this awards, this felicitation program that you have been recognized our services. And also we have so many, awards that we have got in our life. But I never go for publicity. This is the first time that somebody has recognized me, and also we have made publicity that we have received the award.